Module 3, Summary. Develop an affluent image. This module is all about your personal appearance, meaning we need to have these 3 things totally on point. Our beauty, our body, and the way we dress. Being part of the affluent society means you need to have your looks in order and up to a certain standard. This is when you really start noticing how you really have to stay on top of your game. Competition is tough with the creme de la creme. A prime state will attract a prime mate. You don't have to be born pretty to fit in to high society. You can create beauty, you can create a nice body, and you can create a fashion sense. Take care of your skin, hair, and nails. You have to invest in your appearance. What message does your appearance send? Your clothes, face, body, all of these things must reflect that of an affluent woman. Strive to be a high-value woman. What sends off high-value status? I'll tell you. Appearance, your behavior, your reputation, your energy and mindset. Let's talk about appearance. You have to define your style. Who are your fashion role models? Who are your beauty role models? Who would you like to resemble? You need to choose some people who are similar to you maybe. They have the same hair color. They have the same type of skin. And do what they do. Especially the celebrities who pay a lot of money to stylists and who actually can afford to do that. If you have the same hair color or skin color, then doing some of the same things that they do would be beneficial to you. Of course, if you can afford to, then you can actually hire your own personal stylist and get an image consultant to tell you what to do if you can't afford to. But if you can't, then this is a great little cheat code here. Okay, so it's okay to be a copycat. Groom consistently. This is like a little hack. Whatever grooming you do, you have to make sure you're consistent. It is paramount to look groomed always. Prioritize grooming before fashion. That's right. When you are perfectly groomed, that's when you look very expensive and the right clothes comes less urgent. Invest in good products. Do treatments to correct errors. There are 7 main areas you should prioritize. Your skin, your teeth, your hair, your makeup, nails, eyebrows, and eyelash extensions. If you have short lashes, it's perfectly okay to get some eyelash extensions if you're comfortable with that. Okay, so you have to maintain the grooming of these 7 things. It is very important. I told you that was a little cheat code there, okay? Consistent grooming. Your hair should be silky. It should be shiny. And it's perfectly okay to get some hair extensions if you need it. Your nails should not be chipped. Make sure you get a good nail polish and that you get a manicure consistently whenever you need to. Your makeup should be subtle, natural looking. It shouldn't be overdone, and don't use too much if you don't have to. Plastic surgery is okay. Botox, fillers. If you're doing these cosmetic procedures, try to go to an experienced surgeon. Get a recommendation from someone who has good work done. Try not to go to the cheapest person because you don't want to end up looking like a science experiment, like a field experiment, okay? Make sure your plastic surgery looks natural. Is it going to help you fit into an affluent society? There are some natural methods that work. You don't always have to do plastic surgery. Tattoos are not elegant, especially in visible areas. If you have a tattoo, consider getting a tattoo removal. Practice good hygiene, good daily hygiene. These are the basics, okay? Make sure you have the basics down. Brush your teeth every day, shower every day. Change your clothes every day. Don't wear some dirty things. Okay, I'm going to talk about some perfumes now. You want to smell unique with a high quality niche perfume. If you can get 100% perfume from a respected, well known brand, that will be amazing. These kinds of perfumes will last longer and smell more intensely, so you don't have to use very much. The butter will last you long. Don't spray more than 3 times. You can get some perfumes like from Frederic Malle, Creed, Roger, Cleve, Christian, Kilian, Flores, and Lisantio. Clothing. Oh my, let's jump into clothing. What is the fashion style of affluent women? What fashion style should you adopt if you want to fit into this community? I have the most simple solution for you. From now on, whenever you go shopping for new clothes or you are deciding what to wear, always make sure you dress in something that looks elegant and expensive. Just those 2 things, and you will be set. Elegant, expensive. These 2 words should be your foundation moving forward. Then you can create your unique sense of style. Not everyone needs to be the exact same way. As long as you have styled yourself to look elegant and expensive, you will fit in with the rich. Always dress appropriately. Very important. You want to dress appropriately for the occasion because you want to fit in socially. You don't want to stand out like a sore thumb, okay? So, if there's a dress code, try to follow that dress code. It's better to dress up than to dress down. Be feminine. Don't be too sexy. Don't show too much skin. You can dress conservatively. Less is more. Simple silhouette. Get a simple silhouette. Make sure it's well made. It has a flattering fit. It hides your imperfections. Dress for your body shape. Choose clothes in high quality materials like 100% silk, cotton, cashmere, linen, wool, blends like rayon. Wear elegant colors. Elegant, natural looking colors. Colors that suit your complexion. Get a personal color consultation. Make sure it's in person. That's the best way. Monochrome outfits are always classy. If you can get something monochrome, like if you can dress in all one color from head to toe, that would make you just look amazing. Stick to classic designs. Avoid neon colors. Don't wear old looking clothes. That's just a no-no. Make sure your clothes are well groomed. Steam them, iron them, get rid of the wrinkles. Prioritize right. There are 6 things that you should prioritize, and I'm going to list them from the most important to the least important. The first thing is your handbag. Get a proper, high quality handbag. It can be a designer handbag as well because those are really well made and will last you very long. Your handbag can give away your status, so make sure you get a good one. If you can get one from a reputable brand, that would be fantastic. Your outerwear is the second thing that you need to prioritize. Like get a really well-made coat. Your footwear. Your shoes are very important. Make sure you get high quality, well-made shoes. Accessories like hats, scarves, watches, very important. Accessories are such an easy way to look expensive and to look classy. Daytime clothes. And then, last but not least, evening clothes. These are all important, but if you're going to start upgrading items, then start with your handbag, then your outerwear, then footwear, accessories, daytime clothes, and evening clothes. Invest in things you wear often in neutral colors. You can buy pre-owned designer items if you're on a budget. You can shop at mid-range boutiques. You can shop at outlets like yokes.com and Outnet. You can also get replicas of designer items. That's fine. You can borrow from a friend. If you have a friend who has some nice things that you won't mind borrowing, like maybe a handbag. If you maybe wear the same size, you can also borrow things that you can wear. Get things that are designer inspired. Keep your beauty tip top. Remember, I said that you should prioritize your beauty over fashion. Make sure you do it consistently. Go to the spa, do your eyebrows, your nails, all of that consistently. That's the secret sauce. Okay, now lastly, I'm going to talk about your body. Our body is not only our temple, but actually a big part of our personal branding. Regardless of what we think of it, the affluent society prefer a slender body shape, which is why we need to slim down if we want to have success in this community. Eat healthy foods and exercise consistently. Exercise early in the morning on an empty stomach if possible. Eat smaller portions. Minimize alcohol intake. Don't eat junk foods regularly. You need to be educated about food. Consult a doctor or nutritionist about diet. Would you prefer the pleasure of junk food or the pleasure of an affluent life? You need to be results driven and don't be lazy. I'm going to say that again. You need to be results driven and don't be lazy. Now that's the end of this summary of the Module 3, Develop an Affluent Image. I will be summarizing Module 4 very soon, so please stay tuned and like this video if you thought it was okay. And also, can you subscribe to this channel, and you can also share this video with someone who you think will benefit from the information that I shared here. Thank you and goodbye.